Good morning, it's Ty here from DR Property Guys. The original audio on this clip got lost, so we're doing a voiceover. But today we have a spectacular 3-bedroom, 3 and 2.5 bathroom property with an extra studio and maid's quarters to show you. It's located inside a top-rated gated community, and let me tell you, this property is something special. So come on inside and let's take a look around. So what hits you when you enter the property are the really high ceilings. That is coupled with a fantastic breeze that maintains the property at a very agreeable temperature. Now this living area is huge. Follow me through to the kitchen. And as we can see, there's loads of space. There's an island here, a farmhouse style sink, and plenty of cupboards. So it's at this end of the property that the 3 main bedrooms are located. All 3 of them have ensuite bathrooms and very ample closet spaces. Let's take a look. So now that we've seen the main house, we're going to take a look at part of the property that is actually my favorite, this huge wraparound terrace. And from here, not only do we have a fantastic view of the swimming pool, but we also have an amazing ocean view. So come downstairs and let's see the minibar area, the maid's room, the separate studio, and of course the pool area. And here we are now at the end of the video. I really hope we've done this property justice because it really is beautiful. The woodwork, the ceramics, the finishing here, I mean, it's top of the range. Now, if you want more information about this property, visit our website. It's www.drpropertyguys.com. And please also like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.